Movement anti autonomous go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement anti autonomous go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement autonomous go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement anti autonomous go back.
Go back, go back.
BJP go back.
Go back, go back.
BJP go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement go back.
Go back, go back. Go back, go back. Go back, go back.
BJP go back.
Go back, go back.
BJP go back.
Go back, go back.
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 Movement go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement go back.
Go back, go back.
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 Movement into the master go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement into the master go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement into the go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement into the go
Go
back.
back, go back.
Movement into the go back. Go back.
Go back, go back.
Go back.
Go back, go back.
Go back.
Go back, go back.
Go back.
Go back.
Go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement go back.
Go back, go back.
Movement into the go back.
Go back, go back.
একজন ডেপুটি স্পিকাৰ হয় আৰু তেখেত ক'ব পাৰোঁ কি কিয় মানে তেখেত মানে এছেম্বলিত এতিয়া বৰ্তমান ডেপুটি স্পিকাৰ হিচাপে সি মানে পদটো লৈ আছে গতিকে এজন ডেপুটি স্পিকাৰ এনেকুৱা কথা কোৱাটো একদম আমি কণ্ডেম কৰিছোঁ উই কণ্ডেম দ্য ষ্টেটমেণ্ট গিভেন বাই ডক্টৰ নুমল মমিন which is against the Constitution of India, which is already enshrined in the Constitution. There is Article 244A, which empowers the Parliament to form autonomous state within Assam. La sinilitum la puson la bangso kache song ni tuming tonte la pen la puson jong si komane IMLA dot hulang polotang ten ni tuming tang rakpen la pen tum che song thui la pen we are Dr. Numol Momin, Deputy Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, to apologize the tribal people in Karbi Anglong as well as North Kachar Hills, which is now Dima South. Alangli pan tuning anang pan itumgi po tenggal halo alangli sorry chang nai. You should have to apologize in front of the tribal people. Lahan tumhan pini nang tumhan labang so ame piki kai.
Tuwa tong thomanong tudunang ko kalam thi bangla puson hello kedam tangarni bogajana MLA mate 108 MLA Deputy Speaker Numul Momin alangli lamthi kanengjia bangke si junoda khangjang upia porma liputang de karbia khaya phan ili tuma phusar phisar tuma ke hang bom hempre ka puthak lapen halabang so hut ili tuma phan 1969 ningkan Article 244A halabang so India Constitution along ili tum phanang thapilo ili tum la bang so nang ke hang bom pen 1985 a movement pen chenglok 86 a movement pen chenglok piniani an sita mi tum karbia khai long awok avia bangke du chenam lang lapen hang bom lang lapen ma dua kar bisita me hemprek nang ni lapen Article 244 nang ni pemang ningje bangbe sita me piniani lang amlo liputang te ili tum lada bogojana MLA Numul Mumina bangke karbia khaya phan nang lang plot karbia khaya phan nangwar phisi piniani hemprek pen mute non ke do bom power ke ongsi lang athe dake autonomous state along ke medical college ave engineering college ave lapen agriculture college ave puti sita alangli autonomous state kupia puta ma chini pami melang pusinili hin pen puntum alangli yongse autonomous state puta chini pemi pusonte alangli karbia khaya tumla pu ana kisu lapen kala pona ke hanga bangke alangli respect bithegi polo athe kupia pon ma liputang te piniani la bangso Article 244A mate hemtre ka puta ga joinesi penangan bang pu bang pike apram dam nang lo lapen penangan IPSC officers pen chenglok engineer pen chenglok professor apus pen chenglok sita melang tum education CPC bethang dongri long pat litum karbia khai ta bang singing pilthe ke paprang sonak thaksi ili tum da paprang nang ji pusi litum officer nang ji songbo lapen non answer mi chi songbo mala la so ting liputang de karbia khai pan alang li ke thak lapen divide and rule policy sinang ke thak lapen anti tribal lapen anti autonomous state pusi il to mahil pen jong nang ko pen jong dak lo lapen ili tu mathanang ji sang prot ki pi awu imek nang kan thok pulutang da lake madu ta kale lo Dr. Numul Momin hando kupia pon ma liputang te alang li phan ke dam tang surini na ke forcing kan ili tum Article 244 hala dak rasna sing ke bang dok muka lo nang pipo pojoni selang li phanda mili tum ke pahai dun Numul Momin na phanta sita piniani alang li hemprek ke puthak lam the kan ngi dun ya lam bang bat det si ili tuma phan hemprek ke lake nang ni lo puselang li jate mera pa ke ni jerong son la lo li putang de li tum ke kar biak khai phan mate kar biang long arat dak lak chok singer ke ba kar biak khai phan alang li numul mi innovasi alang li nang ni lo pukan ngi bang ke lake pinde mo lapen alang li jase met la non la so takang bong kar biak khai phan dia chuang heli putang te ili tumai hin mate kar bi solang do rat song do rom party chipu be pin alang li phan doktor numul numina phan boycott nang ji